Welcome back. It's November, Iowa. It's finally cold, but stay tuned, see what we're going to work on. The GOAT of all cars. I'm just playing, it's a Honda Civic. So this is a 07 Honda Civic. We're going to change the oil. Uses 530 and a tiny ass little oil filter down there somewhere. I'll show you where it is. I was actually digging a hole for my new 30-foot Freedom Edition Old Glory flagpole, and the kid's like, hey, I need to change my girlfriend's oil. So I'm underneath the Honda. Remember, use jack stands. So here's your oil filter, and right there's your drain plug. Be careful because your exhaust is right there. It's freaking hot. So I'm going to grab my wrench. Hopefully I brought the right size out. Hang on. So I got it draining, and if I work on a car and you make me use that, I'm going to find you and kick you in the dick. Okay, so the drain plug is actually 17. So I got that loose. I'll start draining in a second. So here's a new one, just cheap little fram, pH 7317. Make sure and oil that. Always oil the gasket. Spin it on there. Quarter turn past hand tight, and that's good. We're gonna let that finish draining. This is the boyfriend. Oh shit. Did they break something? Okay, well that's enough dumb for the day. Okay, so these Hondas take 4 quarts, well 3.9, so homie's gonna dump in 3.9 quarts. Just dump in 4.
Yeah, you gotta hold the reset button. You gotta hold it and then they'll both start flashing. Both numbers, and then let go when they start flashing.
Okay, now we hold it again. Cool. So, start your car, scroll through, find your oil life, and hold that button until it flashes, then let go, and hold it again, and then it'll reset. Wait, bye.
Bye.
That's actually my kid, Colton.
What's up?
And if his brothers actually still watch this, maybe they'll say hi and leave a comment.
Do they watch it? Kinda cool.
We'll find out. So, remember, when you do the oil, always make sure, start it, let it run a little bit, check it, get it on, level surface, check the oil. Make sure your oil filter's not leaking. And just an update, just anybody that is following along on the Explorer back there, well, Ford agreed to buy it back. So, yeah, that long, almost year-long battle is done with. Hopefully this next week. Hopefully it's taken care of before Thanksgiving, and everybody's happy. I don't know, we'll find out. But again, that was my son. I'm glad he came out here and said hi and helped out. I always love working on cars with him, so it makes me happy. But it's getting cold. We're gonna vacuum out the back seat. Him and his girlfriend picked up a artificial Christmas tree, and there's all sorts of crap in the back. So like, subscribe, comment, follow us, share. Deuces, guys.